it's Crystal with MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make my white chocolate strawberry mousse. This recipe only has 6 ingredients, so it is super easy, and y'all, it is so good. It's great, obviously, as a mousse because the recipe or title states it's a mousse, but it's also good as a frosting, as a filling. It's just good stuff. So let me show you how to throw it together. So we're going to start out by melting 1 cup of white chocolate chips in the microwave, about 20 to 30 second intervals, stirring each time until they're nice and melted, being careful not to burn them. So that white chocolate's all melted. I'm going to add it to my bowl here, my larger bowl. Now I'm going to add in 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and a ½ cup of powdered sugar. And I mix this up. Now I'm going to set this aside and grab me another bowl. Now to this bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream, a ½ cup of powdered sugar, and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now I'm going to take my electric mixer, the same one I just used to mix this. I'm not even going to worry about cleaning it off because I'm going to fold this whipped cream into this at the end. So I'm going to beat this up until it becomes whipped cream. Now I'm going to add the whipped cream that I just made into the white chocolate mixture. And I'm going to gently fold that in. Now I'm going to add a quart of fresh strawberries that I've already diced. And I mix those in. If you notice, I'm kind of folding them very gently because I don't want the air that I whipped into the cream to dissipate. I want it still to be nice and fluffy. So I'm gently folding that in here. And now you can divide between ramekins. This is also really good as an icing or a filling for a cupcake. So I have some strawberry cupcakes that I made from a box mix, just strawberry box mix cupcakes. I baked them in a square muffin pan. I took a knife and I cut out some of the center, not all the way through, but a little indentation. And I am going to take some of this strawberry mousse and I'm going to dollop it inside that hole. Just like that. And then I'm going to take a little bit more and frost the rest of the cupcake with it. And this right here, it's hard to see. This right here is absolutely delicious.